Hey beautiful people. Okay, so you guys are about to watch me make oxtail. First things first, rinsing off the oxtail. You want to make sure you rinse off any impurities and just work with some clean oxtail. So that's what I'm doing, just quickly rinsing everything off. I went to 2 different stores and got these oxtail. One an Asian store, and the one that I'm rinsing off now I got from the actual butcher. I couldn't tell the difference in taste. Okay, so here I am filling up my pot and adding apple cider vinegar to get all that yucky stuff off. I'm not even sure what that is. You know, like the residue, that greasy, slimy residue that sometimes is on meat. Getting that off. I let it soak for approximately 30 minutes to 45 minutes. While I let it soak, I went ahead and cut up my veggies. I have all sorts of peppers, yellow, red, green, orange, and I am cutting up about 1/3 of the pepper and putting it in the blender. I'm going to use the whole pepper, as you'll see later on, but I'm only putting 1/3 of each pepper into the blender. 1/3 to a half. So I feel like I use half that bell pepper. Now I'm cutting up my onion. Once again, I'd say that's maybe 1/3 of the, actually 2/3 of the onion that I just used. I'm saving 1/3 of it. A few little pieces of ginger. I was having a hard time cutting that thing. And then I got smart. You'll see in a minute. There it is, the handy dandy vegetable pillar. I love this pillar, man. It works so good. So yeah, I peel it and then I chop it up. Save a few pieces for later. I add 2 scoops of garlic, minced garlic. You can add more. I actually wish I had added more. I would have added maybe another big scoop. And that's some parsley and cilantro. Making sure it'll fit, everything, the lid will be able to be put on top. Then I added a little bit of water and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I hope I'm saying it right. Just enough to help it blend. There you go. So here I am mincing my ginger, because I'm going to go ahead and chop all my vegetables up later and add them. and just chopping up all my veggies, the remaining of them. Okay, here I am dumping the old water out that had the vinegar, and now I'm rinsing the oxtail again to make sure that I get all of the vinegar out of the pot. And now I'm checking them, looking at them to make sure there's nothing on them that I don't want on them. If so, I'll rinse them separately. And guys, this step is very, very important. Make sure you rinse the oxtail very good, because it's a lot of things, germs and some everything that's on food. Okay, so now I am seasoning. I use salt and pepper. That's sazon. I use 2 packs of the sazon seasoning. Actually, I take that back. I use 1.5. Parsley flakes, that is oregano, and I'm not measuring anything. That's cilantro flakes, adobo. I would have used more, but I ran out. That's thyme, garlic powder, and my paste that I made. I'm mixing it. And here I am adding all of my chopped veggies. Be sure to take it easy on the garlic. I'm sorry, the ginger. Don't add too much ginger because ginger can be overpowering. Okay, and soy sauce. And more Worcestershire sauce. I really hope I'm saying that right. Alright, and there you have it. Now I'm just going to let it sit and marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. The longer the better, guys. Alrighty, so I'm about to fry up my oxtails, or brown them. I'm going to show you 2 ways to brown your oxtail. This way is just your regular oil in the pan and letting them brown. I am using avocado oil. Then I rinse out my pan to show you the second way. And the second method is my preferred method. This is what I normally do. Okay, I added more avocado oil, and that is brown sugar that I'm putting in the pan. And I am letting that come to a simmer. And I add my oxtail. So you don't have to worry about it being sweet. It is not going to be sweet, guys. So it's going to be a beautiful brown. It's not going to be sticky. And the color stays on your meat the whole duration of the cooking. It may get a little bit lighter, but it's still going to be a beautiful brown color. So I go ahead and brown the rest of my meat. And then after I'm done browning all my meat, go ahead and cook down my vegetables in the paste. I have not added any liquids or anything. Just cooking them down. I'm showing you the oxtail now. So once my vegetables have cooked down a little bit, I go ahead and add my oxtail back into the pot. And do you see the color? It's so pretty. I love it. After I've added all my oxtail back into the pot, I add 2 cups of water. I stir everything up. I want to bring my veggies to the top so that they do not burn. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going deep into that pot and bringing everything up to the surface. I went ahead and added tomato paste. I'd say one good tablespoon is good enough. And then I'm going to get ketchup. And guys, I do not measure anything, so I'm doing whatever I feel is right. So I added some ketchup. I can't even tell you how much that probably is. I'd say maybe a nice tablespoon would work. A generous tablespoon. Alrighty, now I go ahead and put the lid on and let it come to a boil. So now that it's boiling, I'll go ahead and lower my heat and put that lid on and let it cook. So here it's been about an hour that it's been cooking. I'm stirring everything, checking on it. It's looking pretty good. So, I don't know if you guys can see all of that oil. Yeah, it's a ton of oil and fat that has surfaced, and I'm going to go ahead and take a spoon and get all of that oil off. I was just showing you guys a little preview. It took me a while, so I did a lot of it off camera, and I kept doing it until it was done cooking. Okay, so at this point it's towards the end. It's been cooking for approximately 4 to 5 hours. So I went ahead and diced up some tomatoes and chopped up some cilantro and parsley and added that. And then I'm going to let it cook for approximately maybe 5 to 10 extra minutes, and then I am finished. And this here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so good. The only thing that I would have done differently was added more adobo seasoning. The adobo seasoning is a secret. I love that seasoning so much. So I'm regretting not running to the store. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your oxtail.